As a Somali, stay away from anything addictive, bro. Somalis cannot handle their addictions. Obviously, first and foremost, it's haram anyways, like all these substances. But secondly, bro, when was the last time you saw a Somali that drinks alcohol in moderation, bro? Somalis cannot handle anything addictive. Like, when Somalis drink alcohol, the very few that do, they're done, they finish and drink it every day. Just today, I'm in Brussels right now, bro, not even London. I'm walking down the road, I'm walking to work. Tell me why there's a Somali drunk following me, bro, screaming and shouting. And I'm just thinking, yo, how did he clock I'm Somali? And worst part is, bro, I'm in a European quarter, close to my workplace. I'm walking to the office, bro. Imagine my colleagues see me. They're gonna think that's my uncle, bro. And bro, I'm speaking from experience as well. In year 8, bro, I was addicted to KA, Caribbean Cola, bro. A soft drink. Ever since then, bro, I knew I'm never gonna go near anything addictive, bro. Like, just stay away from all of that as a Somali. You're gonna get caught up in it. Trust me, bro. It's for your own good.